Are you struggling with stuffy nose or mucus clogging up your throat? Whether it is due to cold or allergies or seasonal changes, that heavy congested feeling is so frustrating. But don't worry, today I'm going to show you just 1 teaspoon of a natural remedy that can help you to clear up that mucus and also soothe your throat at the same time. So stick around to learn this simple recipe that I'm going to share with you today and what is the best way of consuming it. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a board certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. Mucus buildup is a very common problem, whether this mucus is present in your lungs or throat or in your sinuses or in your nose. It is very frustrating and a lot of time over the counter medicines do not work. Most people are prescribed heavy doses of antibiotics or steroids to clean up this mucus, but these medicines can be harmful if taken again and again for your gut health, for your immunity and for your overall well-being. But the good news is that we have several natural remedies which really work good to clear up this mucus easily. And that's what I'm going to share with you today, this special recipe which easily can be made at home with simple ingredients but is powerful and very effective in clearing up mucus, soothing your throat and also improving your cough. So let's get started. I'm going to share with you first the ingredients of this drink and how they are going to help you to improve your health. And then after that, I'm going to share with you exactly the way how to prepare this drink and consume it. The first ingredient in this list is Manuka honey. Now, honey in general is really good for this drink because it has anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties. So it fights off any kind of bacterial infection you might be going through. Plus it soothes your throat and also helps loosening up that mucus which is clogging up your throat and your sinuses. Now, especially I mentioned Manuka honey over here. The reason being this special kind of honey in research has shown that it has the highest amount of antibacterial properties, plus it has antiviral properties too. So in case you have any viral infection or any bacterial infection going on, this will take care of both of them. The reason being Manuka honey is especially high in a compound called MgO or methyl glyoxal, and this has shown in research study to have highest amount of anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties. So if you have access to Manuka honey, use that. If not, at least try to get wildflower honey so that you can get the maximum benefit. The next ingredient in this list is ginger. I call ginger as a mucus blaster. Ginger has a compound called gingerols, which is a natural decongestant. It helps to break down the stubborn mucus and also that thick mucus which is present in your throat as well as in your sinuses. Ginger helps to loosen up that mucus and helps to thin it up so that your body can easily expel it. Ginger also has high anti-inflammatory properties, which helps your body to reduce inflammation quickly, and that supports the body's immunity to fight off any kind of infection you might be dealing with. The next ingredient over here is black pepper. This is the secret ingredient because black pepper stimulates the circulation in your nasal passages and thereby actually helps you to clear up mucus easily from that area. Plus it also improves the absorption of ginger and other ingredients in this recipe through your gut. The last ingredient on the list over here is lemon juice. Lemon juice is naturally very high in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your body to boost your immunity. It has high anti-inflammatory as well as antiviral properties. Most of the mucus which is forming in your body is either because of inflammation which is caused by allergies or pollen, or either it is because of a viral infection. And lemon being high in this vitamin C targets both of these cases, and that's the reason will help you to relieve this mucus from your body. So these are all the ingredients of this recipe. So you see they are attacking and helping you to clear mucus in all different ways. So what is the best way of preparing this remedy and how to consume it? So let's start with that. So you can consume this remedy two different ways, either in a teaspoon form or either by making a drink out of it. If you want to make it in a teaspoon form, then you take 1 teaspoon of Manuka honey and then you add it either 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder to it or fresh ginger juice. And then you add a little bit of pinch of black pepper to it and a few drops of lemon juice. And then you can consume this as 1 teaspoon remedy. Now, if you want to make a drink out of it, then you can just warm up 1 cup of water, and then you can add 1/4 teaspoon of either freshly grated ginger into it or again ginger powder, and then a pinch of black pepper, and then again a few drops of lemon, and then in the end is where you add your 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Make sure you are not boiling this drink, because if you boil the drink, then it loses all of its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So you can consume this warm drink, and that will also help you to soothe your throat. So these are the two ways of consuming this drink, either in a teaspoon form or in a 1 cup warm water. So for maximum efficacy of the drink, when you should be consuming it. So consuming it twice a day is going to help you the most. The first time you consume it, it is in the morning. So as soon as you wake up, you have a lot of thick mucus in your throat, in your sinuses. So to loosen it up, take this remedy as soon as you wake up in the morning. That will help you to soothe that throat as well as clear up your mucus. The next time to take this drink is before bedtime. Again, in the night time is all that mucus is building up. To have proper sleep, you consume this drink before bedtime. That will again help you to loosen this mucus. If you take this drink within few days, you will see a noticeable difference that your mucus is going away and you are able to breathe properly, and your throat congestion is also improving. So now you have it a easy, natural recipe that you can make at home itself, that will help you to clear up all the mucus from your body and keep your throat and your sinuses very clean and clear for you. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this great information in the future also. And please share this video with others also who can benefit from this information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.